Alright, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It is Alex from Techrific with the Pixel Buds A series. So this is one of Google Pixel's lineup of earbuds. They have the other ones, which are the Pixel Buds Pro 2, but those are still on pre-order. So I was like, hey, why not pick these ones up? I saw them at Best Buy. I got mine in the charcoal color to match the Pixel Watch 2 that I have right over here. Now I just made an unboxing and first impressions video of this watch, and overall I think that it is a very good starter Pixel watch, but I will still test it out. I haven't done much. You can see that I've only gone 4 steps in today because I just put it on, and I'll be shooting a little day in the life with the Pixel 9 Pro XL or Pro 9 XL. So I'm just getting the whole Google Pixel ecosystem. I'll be using these buds paired with Spotify on this watch connected to the Pixel Pro 9 XL later on in the day, in my day in the life. So make sure to go check out that video if you haven't already. But today I just wanted to bring you guys a little unboxing and first impressions of these Pixel buds. They retail for 139 Canadian dollars and they seem sleek, they look cool, and they're from Google. So are they really worth it? Let's find out. And so I'm just gonna grab these scissors and pierce through this little plastic right over here. And ooh, nice, you always like that sound, so we're gonna put that right aside. And here we are, a little cardboard box from Google, and you have a little tab right over here that I believe exactly you slide right out, and you are greeted with the Pixel Buds A series right over here. They are covered with this little plastic packaging. Where is the opening? It is right there, and that is beautiful. And there you go, we'll slide it right out. What else is inside the box? Here at the bottom we have additional ear tips, as well as interesting, a USB type A to USB type C charging cable. So instruction manuals are at the bottom, that little blue packaging right there. We're gonna put all of that right back inside of the box and get to the goodie of the video itself, what we truly care about, which are the earbuds. And so all of the Pixel Bud A series this year are in this white case. Same thing with the Pixel Buds Pro 2, I believe, but on the inside you have the charcoal itself. And so I'm interested in seeing if they will automatically pop up on my Pixel, and yes, they do automatically pop up. So I will just click connect right over here, and my device is ready to be set up. So we're just gonna click setup, and here we're gonna allow permission. We're gonna click allow. Welcome to your new Google Pixel Bud A series. Get started, accept the legal terms. Now it is asking to try on the earbuds. So we're going to rotate each earbud until they stay in place when you tap it or move your head. So let me do that real quick. Awesome, so the earbuds are currently in, and if you guys see this icon right here on the top right, it is actually playing music inside of my earbuds right now. So I'm not sure if I'm speaking too loud, but the music does sound pretty nice. I do find that the right earbud is sticking on pretty good, but I feel like the left one is kind of sliding out, so I just need to find a way to get that nice snug fit, and I think it is good. So I'll just click next, find the best fit for sound, comfort, and stability. So you can again choose all of those different ear tips that you saw in the box, but so far I think it is good. You could tap either earbud to pause media or answer calls, and you could also double tap to go to the next track or reject calls. You could play the previous track by triple tapping, and to see the charging status you just need to open the case. So if the case is open and it is white, that means that they're fully charged, and if they're orange, that means that they are charging or need to be charged. So these earbuds do come with dual microphones for clear calls. It has in-ear detection, so it knows that when you remove it, it'll stop playing your music, which is pretty sweet. They're comfortable and secure. We're gonna see about that in the gym, and it has that tappable surface to, you know, answer calls, skip to the next track, play some music, and so forth. So overall, that is the Pixel Buds A series, and I'll accept that. And there you go, get help from Google Assistant, why not? Select my music provider, it'll be Spotify. I could read notifications, allow notification access, and there you go. Everything is ready. Now back into the settings on the Pixel Pro 9 XL. You could see that the charging status of the right and left earbud respectively. So the right one has about 9% more charge than the left one. And here you could also find device, you could edit your touch controls, you could play around with the sound, you could add more bass, adaptive sound, which we're gonna turn on because apparently the Pixel Buds A series do have adaptive audio, which we will be checking out. And overall, that is the little unboxing and first impressions. This is a closer look of what the buds look like in person. So these little two tips right over here stick right into your ear, and you kind of need to twist them to find that secure lock in. So it is not always the easiest, especially when you just want to pop them out during a quick workout, but I think once you get more used to it, as well as changing out the ear tips if need be, they could be a very secure fit, maybe even better than AirPods. But that is all to be tested later on in the day in the life video with the Pixel Pro 9 XL and all of its accessories in the ecosystem that we've got going on right over here. So if you guys enjoyed this little unboxing and first impressions, going through the setup process and seeing what the Pixel Bud A series really entail, please make sure to smash that like button and check out all of our social media to stay up to date with the most up to date, and I'm mumbling my words because I can't even figure out how to put back these buds in their charging case. But yeah, Techrific it is, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, all of that good stuff. How do I put these things back? Okay, there you go. I figured it out. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for stopping by. Would you guys get these Pixel Bud A series? How do you guys feel about the case? It looks like a really small white oval looking egg. That's what I think about. But anyways, enough rambling. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for stopping by. Stay techy.